Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the dart visually and by feel. Look for bent shafts, split flights, or a loose tip. Once done, remove the flight and shaft to isolate the problem, then lay components out in order. Make sure to test the tip thread engagement and check barrel integrity. You will often find the culprit there. Keep thread locker and a tip tool handy because you'll need them in the next step to secure and align parts properly. You now replace or realign the damaged parts. First, swap in a matching shaft or gently straighten the existing one. Small pliers and light pressure prevent further damage. Then fit the flight, aligning its shape with the barrel's balance so the dart will fly true. If it slides, add an O-ring. Finally, thread the tip into the barrel, and if the dart previously loosened in play, apply a small drop of thread locker. This stabilizes the connection without changing balance. You finish by checking balance and testing. Hold the dart at its balance point to feel stability and adjust shaft length or flight profile if needed. Once satisfied, throw a sequence of 5 test darts, watching grouping and any drift. These clues tell you whether alignment or weight is still off. If wobble or inconsistent flight continues, inspect the barrel closely for hairline cracks and consider replacing it. A final key troubleshooting tip: if loosening returns, swap thread locker brands or replace a stripped thread before further use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.